All right, so this is where the animals are gonna go, and we have this huge gap here, about 10 inches wide or so, and I just need to fill this in with a little bit of fencing and get that taken care of, and then I have another thing I need to do as well. So I just have some of this kind of fencing here. Get it? We just used some of this kind of fencing over here, and so I'll just cut off a portion that's still good and tie it in there with some wires. So get to that here. Just using some wire clippers. Probably not the best thing to use, but it's what I got. I used what I got. Okay, so how I do this? Sorry, folks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go 10. Maybe. So I just took some of the strips of wire. I cut off an odd section of this. It was crooked, and so I just trimmed off some of that into some wire so I don't have to go looking for any. This will work well enough, at least for now. And then I'm just going to stick it through, bend it around. And twist it up. Not the best job, but you know what? Oops, see, even that came apart. I am just trying to get this done, and if we need to reinforce it later, we'll reinforce it later. Our entire property is fenced, so if these animals get out, then I'm not too concerned because there's not really anywhere they could get to except, you know, to my trees and shrubs that I don't want them to eat. Okay. So on this side right here, ideally, I would have some of those bent nail things to nail over this into the wood. But if we have any of those, I don't want to have to go find them right now. So I'm just going to secure them to this, and then there's one up here. And then later on we can come in once we have some of those, or once we find them, and further secure this on there. But I just need to get this done for now, and I don't want to have to spend time looking for things that will work. So we're just going to use more of these wire cuttings that I have and attach them to these here. They're here. No, you're good. Can't see in there. Let's see if you can hear them. Girls! Girls! What did we get? They were making noises earlier.